Glow up in one day. Are you feeling tired from scrolling whole day and not finding even a good glow up video? Don't worry. This video is for you. That you can glow up in just one day and shock your entire people. The key is to focus on self-care, hygiene, and self-improvement. So let's get right into it. Step 1. Wake up. Firstly, wake up and make your bed. It helps you stay organized. Next, take a bowl, add some ice cubes and water in it, and dunk your face. It helps to reduce acne. If you have sensitive skin, take some ice and wrap it in a towel, then put into your face. Step 2. Shower. Body care is essential for a full glow up. Create a simple routine for your body. Clean your body with a soap or body wash. Make sure to scrub off dead skin. Nextly, dry your body and moisturize. It with lotion and add scented candles to make your shower a relaxing self-care experience.
Skincare tips. Having a good skincare routine can make your skin look fresh and plump, which will automatically make you look good. Toner helps even out your skin tone, reducing the appearance of hyperpigmentation and leaving your skin looking brighter and more radiant. You don't need a lot of skincare steps if you're beginner. Start with only 3 products: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. The most important step in any skincare is cleanser, especially in summers. Cleanse your face twice a day. Using our moisturizer in the summer is just as important as in the winter. You might need to switch up your product based on your skin type and the climate. Apply a thin layer of moisturizer to avoid feeling greasy. Even oily skin need hydration to prevent overproduction of sebum. Gel base or water-based moisturizer are ideal as they are non-greasy and feel light on the skin. Also, if you're not using SPF in summers, I am here to tell you using SPF in the summer is crucial to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause sunburn, premature aging, and increase the risk of skin cancer. Hair care tips. Your hair carries your whole look. In order to look polished, your hair must look healthy. Stay away from harsh chemicals. Use rice water. It make your hair smooth, shiny, and healthy. Just take a bowl, add 1 glass of rice. Wash it once, and then add water and leave it for overnight. In morning, apply for 30 minutes. Rice water pack with vitamins like B and E and antioxidant gives nutrients perfect for promoting hair growth and reducing hair. In hair care, routine hair mask is very important. If you are dreaming of soft, shiny, and luscious hair, this hair mask is for you. Simply take a pan, add 1 or 2 glasses of water, or add a tablespoon of flax seed, and most important, add rice flour. Boil for 10 minutes. Stain it and add some coconut oil and apply in your all hairs. With the help of this hair mask, it make your hair even more smooth and silky. Apply this mask once in a week. Conditioner is as important as shampoo. Shampoo can strip natural oils. Conditioner helps replenish them. Calmer. Apply from mid-length to ends. Wash with normal water. Nail care. Summers can be tough on your nails due to sun exposure and dry air. Keeps nails strong and prevents breakage. For a cute summer vibes, why not do a neon shades design? Fashion tips. Okay, bestie, now let's talk about summer fashion, because glowing up isn't about the inside. We look like the main character everywhere you go. You can buy some simple basic pieces like basic shirts and pants and skirts in neutral colors or in bright colors, because in summers bright color suits more. Style them with different accessories to create different look. It also saves money. Here is some inspo for aesthetic. You can also wear cute boats and earmuffs. Try out different trench coats and jackets to look cute. Diet and exercise. Your diet make a lot of difference. If you eat junk food all the time, your body will look really bulky. So try to eat healthy food and cheat yourself once a week. While your favorite foods. In exercise, you can do at home or go to gym, whatever you like. If you want to gain weight, then eat more calories like peanut, butter, bananas, and smoothies. It's your ultimate guide to glowing up before summers 2025. And pamper your hair, your skin, and just enjoy them. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Until next time, bye.